So they have a Johnny and a Sissy. This should be pretty easy, right? Maybe we don't really have to wake up Grandpa here. Because they have no Leatherface. Don't all the toolboxes like spawn over here too? That's another thing that's kind of stupid on this map. All the toolboxes are by like the front exit or whatever. Oh, there's a toolbox right here. Nice. Wait for our ability to come up. Oh yeah, I'm on the back tunnel here. That's kind of bad actually. Oh shit. Okay, we got 2 doors open outside. I think that's my teammate right here, right? Don't die, bro. It should be a pretty easy one. Oh, well, that's not good. Here's a pro tip. Don't tell your teammates that you got something done. Nope, there's Maria. Because they'll probably come over and ruin it for you. I think the generator's on the outside, maybe? Side over here too. There's a chicken right there. I got right gen open and the back gate open, but we need to turn off the generator. I need a tool for this. Oh, is someone over here? Sissy's over here on gen side. I think 2 or 3 of them are over here on generator side. I think my Maria's gonna die. That gate's not open. Yep. We're Peroni. Help. That sucks. I'm the last victim. piece of muscular kind of hillbilly parts. Grew up as an outsider and kind of moved out from there. Oh, you said the hillbilly parts? Oh, California? Nice. Wait, where is... Oh, you don't have to tell me, but... Nice, bro. We got him, dude. We got him. GG, GG. Nice, dude. I was the only one. You are the only one. Nice, dude. We did it. Went alive and I die. You've been great the past few days. Yeah. So I don't know what they're doing. Is it like a Game Pass? They got something going on, or what's been happening? But yeah, the queues have not been too bad. Definitely not too bad. They have a Johnny. Oh no, okay. So they just have a Sissy. I mean, they'll probably still rush the basement though. Just don't let me see you, yeah, because you're probably just gonna chase me the entire game. Fucking A. And I'm gonna have to try to door slam you, which I'm like bad at, so. I'm gonna go Taekwondo just for you. And then I'm gonna get like one door slam on you the entire game, and then I'm gonna be like, I hope that saves me, because I'm probably not getting another one. Wish they made everything free. Yeah, honestly, I kind of feel like to play the game, they should make the game free. But like, obviously, to get like Virginia and everything, they should. Wait, where's the hitchhiker at? I hear him somewhere. Ooh, nice. Wait, I don't even need to do this. What am I doing? Hitchhiker's chasing me to the front. Oh shit. I should unlock that gate. Hitchhiker's chasing me to the front. Oh yeah, you're right. We're up here too. Nice. I don't think we're gonna be able to get this. He's just gonna camp it. Alright, he's on the gate. I'm running back down. Okay, he's running back, I guess. Is this guy like only... Oh, Sissy's chasing me on the side of the house. What the hell? Sissy's trying to turn the generator back on. Okay. She poisoned it. Okay, Sissy's gonna turn the generator back on. She's turning it on. Okay, that Sissy kind of played that correctly. Not bad. Oh shit. Oh shit. Sissy's on garden shed with me? Oh shit, she poisoned me. What an asshole. Ouchie. That's a strong poison. Oh, no it's not. All I heard was VC loadout, okay. You got an offer for me, bro? Oh shoot. What you offering me, bro? What you offering me? It better be a good offering, bro. There's you can use your channel points on things if you want to request something or whatever. I did add that. Oh shit, they don't have this door open. Oh shit. Kind of don't want to use my tool on that, but I probably should open battery. Oh shit. Freaking noisemaker, dude. Oh shit, my teammate died. That's not good. Oh shit. Now I need to find where the fuse is. I'll boost up your chances of escaping. Is this a Sissy or... Where's the fuse box at? Why is he just like sitting over here? Fuck. I could kick the gen again, but oh wait, the fuse. Wait, someone turned the fuse on. Wait, what the hell? I didn't even hear it turn on. Oh. Oh, they have the battery open too. Wait, what the hell? Am I stupid? Wait, they have like everything open. Fuck. Wait, my teammate has everything open. Oh shoot, the SSC's coming for my ass. No. No, dude, no. Okay, I don't know if she's turning it on or what's happening. Dude, wait, where was all the audio? I got Boogie next to me, bro. I got the defender, the warrior. The warrior is next to me, bro. I don't have no cell. Yeah, Maria doesn't get no cell, right? I feel like honestly, I think no cell is the best perk in the game, like for victims. I think it's really insane survivability. Oh, you don't have no cell. Oh, you don't have no cell on Leland or Leland. Oh shit. Woo. Woo, woo. Alright, I might go up this ladder because this Leatherface seems a little scary. Okay. Okay. I don't know if we should go up this ladder, but yeah, no cell is really good on Leland too. But I think you're going more like a grappling, like fighter Leland. I go proficiency Leland. Oh. Okay, battery might be free here. Okay, yeah, it looks like battery's pretty free here. Leland, just like right here with me. Lol. I'm not as good as a Connie, but okay. So I can get the gate if you get the battery. Wait, this is kind of easy. What the hell? Wait, is there a trap? Oh my god, there's a freaking trap on the battery. This hitchhiker is insane. We didn't come prepared, bro. I'm getting the gate anyway, so it's all good. Oh, you got it? Nice. Alright. Alright, we're doing battery right now. Okay, battery's off. Shit. Nice, dude. Where's the bone scraps at over here? Staring at them. Wait, what do they have? A Johnny and a hitchhiker. Yeah, they have like no defense. I mean, they have a little bit with hitchhiker, but I think my mic is bugged. I can't hear you guys at all. Oh, I think someone's coming. He's... Oh shit, bro. Damn, GG. Oh shoot, he can turn the... It's back, it can turn that back on. Oh shit, don't slam me. Oh shit. Is he turning it back on? Oh, you barged him? Oh, backstab, nice, dude. GG. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, this guy's going hard. Jesus, what is this guy doing? Oh, he's turning it on. Oh shit. The hitchhiker's turning it on. Oh god. Wait, did the Wyatt die?